Oh. I gotta take this shit out. Oh. I gotta take this shit out. Chris, you gotta get a 5/16 drill bit. I take it back out, mock it up some more.
Looking good up under here.
Getting there.
Real good. Dang.
Sir. Side to start on this motor's on the passenger side. Had to make it work, make the plate work, all kind of shit. We finally got the transmission right, got it in right.
Hellcat. Looking good. In the General Lee. Somebody had to do this already, right? Hellcat in the General Lee.
Yeah, we're still waiting on the wheels. They should be here Friday.
Going 20s or something?
Yeah, that way we can get the brakes on it. Because, you know, it's got the bigger brakes completely all the way around. It's on how you hold the key. Chris, you see that, right?
See that? This bitch gonna start now that I got the camera on. He's shy.
I swear it is.
Bitch, me.
You gotta let Shane play with the key.
You say it's the way you hold the key?
The way you hold the key. Remember this one? I cranked it like 4 times. It's all how you hold the key. That was beautiful.
Factories and the records. Going on the journey.
Yeah, just, we gotta get the tailpipe.
Oh, right. You said they coming out.
We gotta do like 1,000,000 pie cuts. Okay.
That was a hooker.
I think so. Those are my grounds.
Looking good, looking good. What y'all think from 14s to 18s? Replicas. Damn, I forgot to get a picture, man. Oh man, Georgia is about to play. Y'all know what time it is. Let's go. Grab a hole and some shit.
Waiting on the fucking new steering wheel to come in. That nice spark.
Yes, sir.
New tan leather wrapped and everything.
I was looking at when I was looking in the back seat and shit. It's a long way into the ass. Back there. Damn, it's proud of the day. I like the armrest in the back. That's cool. Y'all changed all this?
We'd done that before. We put that in, we fixed his AC, we put fuel injection and all kinds of stuff on when he got it. Car didn't barely put it in.
Dang. General Lee. That's what he was.
It looked like the orange.
Oh, right. Oh, I see. Yeah, it do look.
Yeah.
That shit is darker right there. I see.
Yeah, it was all like this color.